Hi everyone, I'm Michael Iwasa. I'm one of the founders here at Gifting Good, and I wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how our email cards work, our email greeting cards. This is the shop cards page. Pick the card that you'd like. I'll pick this Happy Holidays card here. And once you have the card, you'll want to proceed. And this is where you can edit and add the recipients to your list. We have a template you can download. You can put the name, the email, and the personalized message in the template and upload it. Or you can add the name, email, and personalized message here individually. So I'm going to send it to James. Click Finish. Here, I'll add my personalized message. Just make sure it reads correctly. I'll add an X. And then you want to make sure that you have the recipient's email address here that you're sending to. And then you click Next. You pick a mail date. You can pick any date you want. If you want to send well in the future, you can. I'll pick today to send it. Click Next. And then you just go throughout the checkout like a normal e-commerce experience. So just make sure everyone that you send a card to, their name would be here. Click Checkout. Once it's paid, the card will ship. This is what the card looks like when it arrives in your inbox. And then if you click View Card, you'll see the experience of the card arriving in someone's inbox once they click the link. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to talk. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.